Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Cursor AI and GitHub Copilot. First, talk about the Cursor AI. Cursor AI is trusted by millions of developers and used by top companies like Stripe, OpenAI, Adobe, and Figma. It is designed as a human AI programmer that turns ideas into code, offering features like smart autocomplete, deep code base understanding, and an agent. Let's talk about its pricing. Cursor AI has 4 main plans. Hobby plan is free with a 2-week pro trial and limited usage, and the Pro costs $20 per month. The Pro Plus costs $60 and Ultra costs $200 per month. Now, we will see its reviews. Reviews on Trustpilot show that some users find it helpful for fast coding, but many report issues with accuracy, performance, and reliability. Let's talk about GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot acts as a personal coding assistant, capable of writing, running, and testing code in the background. It plans, writes, and delivers ready-to-review pull requests, understands your repositories, and works alongside you like an onboarded team member. With agent mode, it analyzes code, proposes edits, and validates results. Let's talk about its pricing. GitHub Copilot offers 3 plans. The free plan costs $0 and includes 50 agent mode or chat requests and 2,000 completions per month. The Pro plan costs $10 per month or $100 per year. The Pro Plus plan, at $39 per month or $390 per year. Now, we will see its reviews. On Trustpilot, most users praise its coding speed and accuracy, noting how it streamlines development. However, some mention that suggestions can occasionally miss the mark or require human correction. Next, we will talk about the pros of Cursor AI. Cursor AI integrates smoothly with VS Code, supports context-aware multi-file editing, quickly generates code from natural language prompts, automates repetitive tasks, and allows rule-based customization for coding style and restrictions. Then, we will talk about the cons of Cursor AI. Cursor AI sometimes gives inaccurate or misplaced code suggestions, can slow down performance on large projects, and requires an internet connection for most of its features. Next, we will talk about the pros of GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot provides real-time code completions across many IDEs, generates context-based suggestions, helps with boilerplate code, tests, and documentation, supports Copilot chat for assistance, and often speeds up development by reducing repetitive work. Next, we will talk about the cons of GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot suggestions can sometimes be incorrect or suboptimal, may cause dependence if overused, might not understand project-specific styles, can generate insecure or inefficient code if not reviewed, and some features are gated behind paid plans. Overall, GitHub Copilot is better for reliability and professional coding support, while Cursor AI is better for deeper customization and automation features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.